guys, so today I'm reading Cooking with a Sneetches. What do Sneetches do on beaches? Sneetches swim, Sneetches play. They read, they walk. They talk all day. And when the sun begins to go down, they make a fire and gather around. Then Sneetches do what they like most. They have a Sneetch beach hot dog roast. Each hot dog goes on a stick. Careful, careful, that's the trick. Sizzle, sizzle, the hot dogs are done. Now each one goes inside a bun. Some add mustard, some do not. They eat the dogs while they're hot. Then the Sneetches take a little rest before they cook what they love best, marshmallows. Roasted and toasted with a golden crust, marshmallows are a Sneetch beach must. And when stars begin to light the sky, the Sneetches will then say goodbye. And together they will leave the beach. Sneetch to Sneetch, with sticky handheld, Sneetch to Sneetch. Goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.